Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a user would locate and edit an existing estimate within Field Central. Knowing how to navigate to this portion of the system will help ensure that you are able to stay on top of your customer estimates and adjust or review as needed. Within the Estimate Details section, users are able to adjust dates, monthly billing information, in addition to adding notes. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu on the top left corner and click Sales and Estimates. You can either click Open on the Estimates and Opportunities to view the full log and then click on the $ icon for the desired item, or if the desired item is visible within the window preview, you are able to utilize the link icon with the $ to view the estimate. This will bring you to the Estimate Details page where you can review all the information pertaining to the selected estimate. To edit, you will first need to click the Edit button in the top right corner. Navigate to the Work To Dos tab on the left-hand panel where you are able to add or remove the work to dos or adjust the information associated with them. If you would like to either add a note or adjust additional rate information, utilize the action buttons on the right-hand side of the page. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, be sure to click the Done button on the top right corner to save your changes. Ready to give it a go? Knowing how to edit these services or work to-dos will help ensure users are able to fully customize their customers' contracts to their needs.